Once upon a time there was a small boy called Pekka. He lived with his parents in a small hut in the edge of a village, and spent his days guarding sheep against wolves and other dangers in the forestry district. And he had the bad habit of getting tired of herding the sheep, and so he often ran back to the house and claimed that the wolves were coming, that he needed protection and could not continue herding. And so little by little the folks got used to him crying wolves, wolves, and so they started to pay less and less attention to what he was saying. And after some time they paid no attention at all to his behavior. And then one day came and the wolves really came, and no one paid any attention when he cried wolves, wolves, and so he was eaten away.